Hiyashi Kitsune Udon is a refreshing cold udon noodle soup topped with sweet, soy-simmered Aburaage fried tofu. The noodles are smooth and easy to eat, and it's the perfect meal for hot days while the chilled broth cools you down with every bite. Full recipe is on JapaneseCooking101.com. First, we prepare the soup. Heat the dashi broth to a boil and add soy sauce, mirin, sake, and salt. Stir and bring to a boil, turn off the heat, and let cool first, then chill in the refrigerator until cold. Next, we prepare the topping. Cut aburaage, thin fried tofu, into half-inch strips. In a pot, combine water, soy sauce, sake, mirin, and sugar. Then cook over medium heat and add the prepared tofu. Cook until most of the liquid has evaporated and let cool and chill. Meanwhile, chop the green onion finely. We're going to use this for topping. Once the soup and toppings are cold, prepare the udon noodles. Cook the noodles according to the package directions. We are using frozen noodle today, but you can also use dried udon noodles. Strain and cool under running water and cover with ice to chill. Divide the cold noodles into shallow bowls. Pour the soup. Place the cooked aburaage on top and sprinkle with chopped green onions and serve immediately. This simple dish features chewy noodles in a mild yet savory broth paired with sweet seasoned aburaage fried tofu. It's so simple but scrumptious. Hope you try it.
美味しい。美味しいね。